Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Technika brand dishwasher and the dishwasher has stopped working and the glass light on the dishwasher is blinking rapidly. And you're thinking, uh-oh, what's going on here? What's this problem and what can I do? So basically if this happens, this means that your dishwasher has a leak somewhere. So what you need to do, first things first you need to do is you need to just figure out where that leak is. And you can usually tell, if you get underneath it, if you're able to get underneath it, lift it up, lean it back, you can see where there's water, where there shouldn't be. And then that'll help guide you to where the leak is. Another thing to think about is that, the leak could be because of a leak, or it could be a leak because of too much pressure in something because of a failure to drain. So you also just want to make sure that everything's draining properly and that the drain pump isn't trying to pump water and building up pressure that's causing the leak. So anyways, the first thing to do to fix this error is to just figure out where the leak is coming from. And it might be something that's broken and needs to be replaced, but it might be as simple as something needs to be tightened or something needs to be unclogged or something like that. There's not a single spot that you can go to on the dishwasher to get it fixed, but at least you know what you need to do. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.